In this video, we will show you how to block websites on Google Chrome. For example, we will try to block the Bing.com and Twitter.com. This is the Bing before block and the Twitter also. Okay. Now, to block websites on Google Chrome, you can click this menu and then choose More Tools, select Extensions. Then, click in here, choose Open Chrome Web Store in here, and type Site Blocker like this. Hit enter and then install the Site Blocker. Add to Chrome and add extension. Okay, now you can block website like Twitter or Bing, or if you have not saved website, you can at least on this menu and then choose Site Blocker, choose Option Page, then you can load sites. For example, in here we will add Twitter.com, Bing.com, and for example Facebook.com. Let's block this website and then click load in here. Then don't forget to click button save. Okay, now you can close the tab, and this is the Bing before blocked and Twitter before blocked. Now we need to close this and type Bing.com. You can see there it's blocked, and then Twitter.com. The website, nothing to load like this, just the history. Okay, you can see there. If you type anything, it will block like this, and the Twitter just show icon. That's all tutorial how to block websites on Google Chrome. It's very easy.